Now let's say that you're recording your screen and you want the browser to appear in full screen without the browser window like this. So how can we do that? It's very easy. Just you have to press the function key with F11, and in some keyboards just directly press F11 and this should do the job. And also you can exit the full screen by just right clicking it and exit the full screen, or use the same short key. We also have the option in the hamburger option where we have the zoom function, but just adjacent to it we have the full screen option right here as well. So guys, this is how you can full screen pretty much every browser on Windows. I hope you liked the video, and if you did, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and turn on the notification bell so that you can get notified of all the future videos. This is Saad signing off from today's video. Take care.